What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tony, and this is the Motorworks Garage. 1999 Honda CRV that I got from a customer. I got it shipped out from West Virginia. I'm building a B18 fully forged with a B16 VTEC. Now, when we purchased this on Facebook Marketplace, the guy said it was good, but it actually. Alright, guys, so while I was threading in the studs in the block, this side was good. Now this side, as soon as you drop it in, it sinks all the way down, turns 2 or 3 turns, but you can pull it back out. So the threads inside are no good. Now I'm gonna have to disassemble the block, send it to the machine shop so they could rethread it. I don't know if he's gonna do a time cert or whatever he does, but it's right in here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Alright, guys, I removed all the studs. It's time to remove the crankshaft. Alright, guys, so let's start removing this 13mm 12 point. They were originally torqued to 43 foot-pounds. Hopefully it can have this fixed this week, so I could have this running by next week. The CRV is getting a manual swap. The LSV B18 B16 plug and head. I'm not sure how long it's been that this guy bought all this stuff, but he can't return it, so we gotta fix it. Hopefully we can have this done quickly. We're down to the last piston. So we loosen the caps, the cap bolts off. We give it a light tap like this. Take them off. Put it in the same position and took them out. There you go. Just at nighttime, we do some illumination, so I start taking all these off to make it easier. Now when I take the block to the machine shop, it's gonna be the bare block. Like I said, hopefully he can fix it real quick. So we need this running very soon. Aquí vamos a poner todo en orden encima de la mesa para cuando todo vuelva, todo vaya de nuevo en su lugar. Denle me gusta a este video, suscríbanse a mi canal para que me ayuden a crecer, compártanlo con sus amigos. Y ya veremos qué tipo de videos hacemos en el futuro sobre más cosas turbos y de eso. Ok, vamos a ver, todo está libre y afuera, compa. Bloque ya completo, desarmado. The block is already bare. Here it is. Here we have everything in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. The crank, the caps with the studs. Alright guys, that is all for today. Eso es todo por hoy. Muchas gracias por mirar este video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Please, you can grab some merch at motorworksgarage.bigcartel.com. That will support my channel. And thank you for watching. Peace out.